happy today to be here to welcome our very special guests and to celebrate the opening of Eddie's Fresh Food at St Edmund's.
Yes, St Edmund's College is a school for students with special needs. We cater for years 7 to 12 and for students with mild to moderate intellectual disabilities along with other disabilities.
This store is just a small version of the exact same stores that we have in over 3,000 different locations. So we have fresh food, and we have long-range products, and we have 2 state-of-the-art registers.
We have a wonderful partnership with Fujitsu, supporting our stores end to end. This is just another store, but a very special store. I think Woolworths' whole ethos is customer first, community first, and the reason we exist is for our customers and our communities, so we can put back into the communities. It's a wonderful privilege.
We declare the store open.
Fujitsu has a strong focus on being able to give community support. So with the St Edmund's store, the kids are able to learn about how to run registers, how to develop their maths skills, and how to understand and not be afraid when they enter into the bigger world outside the school.
It's actually been a really exciting opportunity for us to partner with Woolworths and Fujitsu to bring this amazing opportunity for our students to bring authentic learning right into the classroom, and it's a very exciting time for all students here at St Edmund's.